Hi, I'm Anna. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm in my 20s. I'm in my 20s. I'm from California. I'm from California. I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a small town. I live with my family. I live with my family. I'm the oldest in my family. I'm the oldest in my family. I'm a morning person. I'm a morning person. I'm not a coffee drinker. I'm not a coffee drinker. I'm kind of shy with strangers. I'm kind of shy with strangers. I'm more of a night owl. I'm more of a night owl. I'm single right now. I'm single right now. I'm married with 2 kids. I'm married with 2 kids. I love trying new food. I love trying new food. I'm not good at cooking. I'm not good at cooking. I'm learning to play guitar. I'm learning to play guitar. I'm bad at dancing. I'm bad at dancing. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm obsessed with coffee. I'm obsessed with coffee. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm not really into sports. I'm not really into sports. I'm crazy about soccer. I'm crazy about soccer. I love going to the beach. I love going to the beach. I enjoy hiking on weekends. I enjoy hiking on weekends. I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. I'm not scared of dogs. I'm not scared of dogs. I'm fine with spicy food. I'm fine with spicy food. I'm sensitive to loud noise. I'm sensitive to loud noise. I love reading books. I love reading books. I'm more into podcasts. I'm more into podcasts. I'm always on my phone. I'm always on my phone. I'm not very social. I'm not very social. I'm an introvert. I'm an introvert. I'm an extrovert. I'm an extrovert. I'm bad at remembering names. I'm bad at remembering names. I'm close to my parents. I'm close to my parents. I'm not close with my cousins. I'm not close with my cousins. I'm proud of my family. I'm proud of my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm picky with food. I'm picky with food. I like swimming in summer. I like swimming in summer. I'm stubborn sometimes. I'm stubborn sometimes. I'm hardworking. I'm hardworking. I'm curious about everything. I'm curious about everything. I'm scared of the dark. I'm scared of the dark. I'm not afraid of bugs. I'm not afraid of bugs. I'm always hungry. I'm always hungry. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet. I'm not into gym life. I'm not into gym life. I'm trying to work out more. I'm trying to work out more. I'm tired most of the time. I'm tired most of the time. I'm full of energy today. I'm full of energy today. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I'm always cold. I'm always cold. I'm always hot. I'm always hot. I'm addicted to chocolate. I'm addicted to chocolate. I'm more of a tea person. I'm more of a tea person. I'm a fast eater. I'm a fast eater. I'm a slow eater. I'm a slow eater. I'm usually quiet. I'm usually quiet. I'm talkative around friends. I'm talkative around friends. I sleep in on weekends. I sleep in on weekends. I like to drink hot cocoa on cold days. I don't eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. I go jogging in the park. I go jogging in the park. I'm taking online classes. I'm taking online classes. I'm working from home. I'm working from home. I trust people easily. I trust people easily. I love shopping online. I love shopping online. I'm moving to another city. I'm moving to another city. I'm stressed about work. I'm stressed about work. I'm worried about money. I'm worried about money. I'm clumsy sometimes. I'm clumsy sometimes. I'm the funny one in my group. I'm the funny one in my group. I'm still figuring things out. I'm still figuring things out. I'm always late. I'm always late. I'm usually on time. I'm usually on time. I'm a heavy sleeper. I'm a heavy sleeper. I'm lazy on Sundays. I'm lazy on Sundays. I'm not good with directions. I'm not good with directions. I'm terrible at math. I'm terrible at math. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at drawing. I'm working in sales. I'm working in sales. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm between jobs right now. I'm between jobs right now. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. I'm working on my confidence. I'm working on my confidence. I'm not very patient. I'm not very patient. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying to save money. I'm into movies. I'm into movies. I'm always broke. I'm always broke. I'm not rich, but I'm happy. I'm not rich, but I'm happy. I love traveling. I love traveling. I'm scared of flying. I'm scared of flying. I'm usually calm. I'm usually calm. I'm quick-tempered sometimes. I'm quick-tempered sometimes. I'm good with kids. I'm good with kids. I'm not a dog person. I'm not a dog person. I'm a cat lover. I'm a cat lover. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts.